Hello learners and literature enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English literature for UGC NET and beyond. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 British dramatists who shaped the world of theatre and left a lasting mark on English drama. From Elizabethan genius to modern realism, let's uncover their stories, styles, and key contributions.
The Bard of Avon, Shakespeare is not only the greatest British dramatist, but the most influential playwright in world literature. His plays reflect the human condition: love, ambition, betrayal, and fate. He mastered both tragedy and comedy, blending poetry with profound psychology. Major works: Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth, King Lear, Romeo and Juliet, Twelfth Night, The Tempest. Key contribution: he expanded English vocabulary, perfected dramatic blank verse, and created complex characters that transcend time. For UGC NET, remember, his plays are divided into tragedies, comedies, and histories, and his influence defines the Elizabethan age. Known as the father of English tragedy, Marlowe revolutionized drama before Shakespeare. Major works: Dr. Faustus, Tamburlaine the Great, The Jew of Malta, Edward II. Key contribution: introduced blank verse to the English stage. Created the archetype of the overreacher hero, a man who seeks limitless power and knowledge, like Faustus. His hero's tragic flaws paved the way for Shakespeare's complex characters. UGC NET. Tip: Marlowe's Marlovian hero and use of mighty line, powerful blank verse, are important exam points. A leading figure after Shakespeare, Jonson's plays reflect satire, wit, and classical discipline. Major works: Volpone, The Alchemist, Every Man in His Humor, Bartholomew Fair. Key contribution: brought classical structure and moral purpose to English comedy, focused on the comedy of humors, where characters are dominated by one ruling passion or temperament. His plays combined humor with social critique, a step toward restoration and neoclassical drama. UGC NET Tip: remember Johnsonian comedy and classical influence of Horace and Aristotle. Moving to the modern period, Shaw was the voice of social realism and intellectual theater. Major works: Arms and the Man, Pygmalion, Candida, Man and Superman, St. Joan. Key contribution: used drama as a platform for social criticism and reform. His plays attacked class divisions, hypocrisy, and gender inequality. Introduced drama of ideas, where dialogue replaced action as the central force. UGC NET. Tip: Shaw's Fabian socialism, intellectual comedy, and the transformation of Eliza Doolittle in Pygmalion are vital discussion topics. Primarily known as a poet, Eliot revived verse drama in the 20th century. Major works: Murder in the Cathedral, The Cocktail Party, The Family Reunion. Key contribution: restored religious and poetic seriousness to modern drama. Combined symbolism, ritual, and Christian philosophy in his plays. His work marked a shift toward modernist theater, influencing playwrights like Beckett and Osborne. UGC NET. Tip: focus on Eliot's verse drama, religious symbolism, and revival of poetic theater.
From Shakespeare's timeless tragedies to Eliot's modernist verse, British dramatists have shaped not just theatre, but the very spirit of English literature. If you're preparing for UGC NET, make sure to note literary movements they represent, their stylistic innovations, and how each dramatist influenced the next generation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more UGC NET literature videos. See you in the next session, where literature meets life.